Okay, this is one thing that you can do that will instantly make a difference to your business. Doesn't matter at what stage your business is, this will help the business and it will make a significant improvement. So you may be wondering, well, what is this thing? Well, this is the thing that I often think about when I'm running my business. I think about, well, if there was a new CEO coming in today, what changes would that new CEO do? And what things would they change? You think about that sort of things and you think about, well, someone new was coming and was going to make those changes. Well, why aren't I making those changes today? And those changes might be because those are difficult changes that you're making in your business. That might be that you've got staff members in there that have been there for a while, you like them as a person, but actually they're not performing as well as you actually need them to be performing. And they're not at the level that you need them to be performing inside of your business. And those are hard decisions. Most CEOs are going to avoid to make those changes. But if a new person came on board, no relationship with those people, no emotional attachment, they would say, you know what, we need to move this person on because they're not the right fit for the business and they're not the best person to be doing that particular role. Thinking about this from the point of view of this is a brand new, as a new CEO coming into a business, that's going to give you a fresh perspective on what's actually happening inside of your business. Spend regular time thinking about if there was someone new running your business, what decisions would they make? And that could be around personnel, but it could be around systems or processes that are happening, or customers that you're working with, or customers that you're trying to do, or marketing activities that you're looking at. It's very easy to, as your business starts to evolve, set in particular ways of doing things and not be looking at things under new light on a regular basis. Hope that helps in improving your business.